What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We are currently out on a little bit of an evening ride. We are starting here at the mall. We'll see how far we get into the night, but I figured while I'm out on the motorcycle, might as well start another video. So let's go ahead and start this video off with a little bit of a tunnel run. Such great harmonics. Whoa, we hit 700 miles. Check that out right there, guys. I'm sure the people here at the mall just think I'm an absolute lunatic with my noisy exhaust, my weird moto antics, but who cares? Ooh, Corvette. Fellow Corvette brother, I salute you. My good old friends, speed bumps. Not that we care about them, because we're on a dual sport. I see flashing lights in the distance. It's our old enemy, security. But they are not over here, so we can have some fun. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you whoa, nice stop there, bud. Clearly says stop, but you know, hey, some boys don't play by the rules. Probably too busy dropping their cigarette there, judging from all the fiery ashes on the ground. But hey, it's okay. Don't mind me here on my little saddle here while you're in your fully protected cage. Thank you very much, sir. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, or evening, or afternoon, or whenever you're watching this video. Hope it puts a smile on your face. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button to keep up to speed with all the KLX antics. Alright guys, it looks like we're probably gonna extend this video into another day so I can get some daylight at hopefully Wheelie lot. But we've done some pretty fun antics so far. Raised some havoc in the parking garage, echoed off the walls at the mall, and displayed our moto antics to the rest of the world here. So, unless something happens on the way home here, I will see you guys in the next day. Don't worry, it'll be like a few seconds for you guys. That power! Bet you guys didn't see that coming. Alright, seriously now, I think we're going home. I think we're done. That guy's picking his nose. Golly. I don't think he knows I have a camera on him. See, I told you guys. Easily distracted. Alright guys, I think we're actually done now. So I will see you guys in the next day. In 3, 2, 1. And we're back. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this video off with some fun, see whatever antics we can get into. After that, I'll probably end up making another video. Right now I'm gonna see if we can't find a lot or something. See if, of course, we can't get a little bit of wheelie practice in. Because whenever I'm on the bike, I'm gonna try and do that so I can keep on progressing and getting better. Alright, here we go, over some more speed bumps. Speed bumps are just for us dual sport guys to have some fun on. City fun makers. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna just head to my normal wheelie spot here. Good old Toys R Us and Orchards. And that way we can continue with the theme of the video of just doing some antics on the KLX. Sick, I got away from a big biker. Alright, so my local Toys R Us store has been turned into Spirit of Halloween. So we're gonna get a little bit more business here. That's okay, because the adjoining lot is empty. So we're gonna do our usual transition over here. Alright, here we are. So we're going to keep on practicing the second gear wheelies once we get around here. Still trying to get that wheel up higher and higher each time I do it. So right now the focus I'm trying to do is not to lean forward when that wheel comes up, and getting more comfortable just revving it out. So here we go. So I am getting the front wheel up, just not very high. Not enough revs there. Oh, there we go. That feeling felt familiar from first gear. So I got that wheel up and it kind of felt like it wanted to chase it out a bit. So that'll be good to review on video to see what RPM I was at. That'll be good, some good notes for me. So if anything else, I progressed today, and that's the important thing. There we go. I kind of got that wheel to float up. Hello, officer. Good timing there. I'm just minding my own business. Probably gonna chillax for a second here, just to make sure he doesn't turn around. But as I was saying with that last one there, I felt that wheel kind of float up, so that's a good thing. So I just got to get to that point consistently, so that way when I do get there, I can throttle it out a bit and make sure that I'm covering the rear brake and floating up a bit. So that'll be good. Alright, turn around here and do a couple more. Then we'll go ahead and close out the video, and I'll head off to do the 0 to 60 video. So front wheel's coming up higher. We'll do one last one here. Alright, so good progress today. I'm starting to get that feeling of the front wheel floating up. I feel like I'm sitting up straighter, so that's a good thing. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the KLX Antics on today's video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not already. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.